I just put on my ocean back.
Oh, okay. Well, what else?
And some lemon.
You want some canary melon?
Yeah, lemon, Mom. Right there
Right
on
here?
my plate.
This?
Yeah, this one. We're away. Hi, big one.
I think we have to go back outside again.
We're away.
This one.
We're away, how big one. We're away.
So this is
How
some
big
canary melon with our hard-boiled egg.
I like it.
We've been really liking our hard-boiled eggs in the morning. Is that so yummy? So the canary melon, I've never seen one before, but it's bright yellow. And the inside is very, very similar to honeydew. It's extra juicy though. It's a lot juicier than a honeydew. What do you think? Well, they're so quiet. I'm guessing that they love it. Now this breakfast I would eat just with my hands, just slices of the melon, and I eat a hard-boiled egg with my hands as well. So no forks today. Is it so yummy? Oops, Gwen almost dropped it.
It's good.
It's good, huh?
It's my
Yeah.
steak.
Yeah, your egg.
I just don't want this.
Okay.
It's got lemon on it. You wait, Sissy? Yeah. Okay, you wait for this. I just eat the beak.
Yeah, you're eating the egg?
I just eat the beak.
Oh, we didn't eat a peach. That's a canary melon.
I just eat the beak.
You ate a peach?
No,
Oh.
I just take a bath with my fish.
You took a bath with your fish?
Mhm.
We did last night. We did take a bath with our fish last night. So sometimes we don't like the yolk. Do you want Mama to pull the yolk out?
Okay,
Okay, I'll peel the yolk out. It's okay.
just you.
Yeah, just a little. Oh, we almost dropped it. That's good. Huh? Oh.
It's hard.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that one gets cool, huh?
Oh, did you get some of the yolk in there? Oh. Do you want me to take your yolk out too?
It'd be okay.
Oh, it'll be okay. Okay. I can take the yellow out. Do you want me to take the yellow out? Yeah, okay.
Let me eat it. I love my yellow part.
I know, you say you love the yellow part, but then you spit it out.
It was low.
Yeah, water will always help.
See, that's okay, yeah. Ew. It will take
better?
away bounce.
Do you want some more melon?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And the big one.
I'll go cut some more. You eat your egg while I go cut some more melon, okay?
I need some more.
You need some more too?
I
Can you
need
say
baby
please?
one and the big one.
Yeah, can you say please?
I need baby one and the big one.
A baby one and a big one? Okay.
Please.
You eat your egg while I
Oh,
go get
goodness, what did do that?
Oh my goodness, what do we do? I'll go cut the melon. You eat your egg while I'm cutting it, okay?
Okay. You cut a baby one and a big one.
Yeah. Well, how about I cut 2 big ones?
Oh, 2 big ones. Oh, what's that? Where you got there?
It's the melon. I'm cutting 2 slices of melon for you.
It's a knife. We cut it.
Yeah, it's a knife, and I cut the melon with the knife.
Yeah, you want a big knife.
It's a big knife. It's a big melon.
Yep, it is. It's so cute. Aww. Baby one. Aww. I'm leaking. Come here, little baby one. Come here. Come here.
You want this
Come
one?
here. Come here, little baby one. Come here, little baby one. Okay. Okay. This is a big one. Cut the baby one. Cut the baby one.
You want a baby one?
Yes, baby.
You want me to get you a baby one too? A
Okay.
smaller piece?
Okay.
Okay.
One piece.
I'll give you a smaller piece too.
One piece.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So for anybody listening to our clock, it's a late breakfast today. The girls did not want to eat earlier. We've just been running around playing, and then they decided, hey Mom, we're hungry. So we're actually having a late breakfast today. So good. We don't always wake up super hungry. But we had a little bit of a late dinner, right? We had a late dinner with Nana and Papa yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's because it makes it.
You love Nana and Papa?
Hey Mom, I see some. Hey Mom, I see my heart of feeding.
You see your heart at Tafiti?
No. This.
What do you see? What do you see?
This.
This is a marker. This? It's just a marker.
What's that?
This?
No.
This?
Yeah.
The key.
Yeah, the key.
It's the key to open some types of waters.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There's someone.
Did you hear the cat?
Yeah.
I heard the cat too.
I heard Bino Crescent.
You heard Bina scratching. Well, Bina's sleeping. I think you heard the cat. I think one of his claws got stuck to the carpet or something.
Yeah.
Or he might be on a chair. I'm not sure. So the tag on this melon said, oh, what happened? Or did you drop a piece in your bib?
Yeah!
Are you winking again?
Yeah! I'm blinking so fast.
You are blinking so fast.
Yeah! So cool. Yes. Yeah! You're getting kind. Whoa! Look at how you're keeping thinking.
So the sticker on this said it was a French canary melon. When I googled French canary melon, just canary melon came up. So maybe you all can help me. I'm going to label this as a canary melon. However, the coloring on it is not... Oh, those are Dada's cupcakes. Maybe later. Maybe later. Okay, we'll have a tea party later for sure. Okay? So, if anybody knows the outer covering, I'll show you. Okay, can I show everybody what the melon looks like first?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll have a tea party later.
I want it for one too.
Well, I just want to show everybody the outside of the skin and what it looks like. Maybe they know what it is. Maybe it is a French canary melon. So this is what the outside of it looks like. So it's kind of got white stripes. And it's very yellow. And this is about half of it. Oh, you have some on your plate.
No, mommy, a baby one.
You want a baby one? Okay, I'll go cut you a baby one.
Okay.
A little baby one?
Okay.
A little baby?
Yeah, no baby.
A little baby one?
Baby love.
Did you say please?
Please. No.
Is this a little baby one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a little baby one.
Okay. A little easier for you to handle. Oops, I dropped it.
Oh, little baby
A little
one.
baby one.
Baby,
Huh?
you have the whole good video.
It's a middle.
Nice baby. I'm petting her.
Yeah. So I actually think I prefer this melon over a cantaloupe. It's a little bit sweeter, but it's definitely juicier. I love that juiciness in it.
You forgot the big one.
Oh, do you want a big one? Okay, I'll go cut you a big one. Do you want to say goodbye to everybody?
I need some money.
Okay, I'll go cut some more money. Do you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cheers, watermelon. Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Do you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye. I
Anastasia?
think what I cheers. So many cheers.
Yeah, so many chairs, huh?
1, 2, 3, 4.
We do have 4 chairs in here.
3, 4, 3, 5. 1, 2.
Well, actually, we do have 5. You are
5.
actually correct. There's 2 behind you, and there's 2 next to me, and there's 1 at the head of the table. So there's 5 chairs. You're right.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, they're all awesome. Wow! And pop-ups.
That is Papa's chair, huh?
You do like it.
And Nana's chair.
Mama's chair.
And Mama's chair. And Dada's chair. And Nana's chair.
And Papa.
And Papa's chair. And Dada's chair.
And other Dada's chair.
Yeah, Dada sometimes sits in that chair too.
And other Dada's chair.
And Dada sometimes sits in that one too. Yeah.
Yeah. All them.
All the chairs.
Yeah. And the more baby one.
Okay. You want to say goodbye?
Okay, bye.
We'll see everybody tomorrow.
And this is letter to heart.
Oh, you're throwing I love yous to the heart. Oh, that was so nice. Baby love you to the heart.
A big letter to heart.
A big I love you to the heart. Anastasia. Anastasia. Are you going to throw any I love yous?
A big letter to
A big I love you to the heart. I love yous back at you. Oh, back at you. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. And we'll see you tomorrow. Oh, you want to keep throwing I love yous?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, go, I can fix it. I can fix. I can fix you.
You fix
I
it?
like you.
Oh, you fixed I love you? You throw it back? You fixed my heart? Oh, thank you.
Hey, no. Ouch. I got you. I need to get you a new one.
Oh, a new one? Okay. Thank you.
You need a new one.
A new one?
You need a new one.
Is it all better now?
Yep, it's all better.
Oh, thank you so much.
I just hit that.
Oh, you did?
I see him.
Okay. You want to say goodbye?
I see. Wow.
Thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see.
Bye.
Thank you.